Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be diving into the topic of Archie Pearl Whitening Cream. I will be sharing my personal experience with this product, discussing its price range and where you can purchase it. So let's get started. Friends, first let me talk about my personal experience with Archie Pearl Whitening Cream. I have been using these products for the past few months and I must say I am quite impressed with the result. The cream has a smooth texture, absorbs quickly into the skin and leaves it feeling hydrated and refreshed. I have noticed a visible improvement in my skin tone and a reduction in dark spot. However, keep in mind that individual results may vary as everyone's skin is unique. Now let's discuss the price range of Archie Pearl Whitening Cream. Currently the cream is available in two sizes. Its price is 100 rupees, or the price may vary slightly depending on the store or online platform you choose to purchase from. Additionally, you may also find it at local beauty store. Make sure to check for authorized seller to ensure you are getting the genuine product. Viewers, Archie Pearl Whitening Cream has been a great addition to my skincare routine and I highly recommend giving it a try if you are looking to improve your skin tone and reduce dark spot. Remember to perform a patch test before using any new product and consult with the dermatologist. If you have any specific skin concern, thank you all for watching today's videos. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and product reviews. If you have any question for suggestion, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next time, take care and stay beautiful. Thank you so much.
Yeah.